Those are those days when you keep begging someone that went to Nigeria to get you suya on his or her way back. You can prepare suya in your kitchen. So today I'm going to walk you through how I got this suya made with my air fryer, and it was one of the best suya so far. So for you to get a beef for this suya, go for the ribs, please. Let it be thin like this. Ask them to cut it for you in this thin size, or you can do it when you get home. So when you get home, wash, salt it if you want, or you can just wash it without salt. Use lemon. Lemon can go well. Then use your knife and go through them like this. Give them this mark. This is for it to be able to get in the taste of those suya spice that you are going to massage it with. So this beef is now ready, and I will be using the suya spice that I have at home. You can make your own with kuli or with granite and add any spice of your choice. Maybe very soon I will walk you through on how to make suya spice at home. So you are going to make sure that you generously add a lot of suya spice in this beef. Remember, that is the only ingredients that you are using for this suya. Yes. So after pouring in the suya spice, work it in and brush them very nicely. This one was quite pepperish, so that is why I didn't want to use my bare hand, and I didn't have gloves at home. So I'm looking at it now, it's as if I was just messing up in the kitchen. I love using my hands. Wash it if you know you can peel the pepper, but if you know you don't, you are not a friend of pepper, be careful. Don't even try it, because this pepper can go through so many places without you knowing. So after rubbing it, please take time to subscribe, follow me, and also give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you. Let's get back. So after turning it the other way around, you continue pouring it the suya spice. As I was saying before, use your glove, and if you know you don't have glove, use brush, because the pepper can go in too many places and you won't like it. It's not funny at all. You'll be answering the question, how did pepper get into your eyes, your nose, you are therefore there. Don't allow them to ask you that question. So this is where massage. Now I'm going to foil it. Yes, this is another way to get your suya so tasty. Get a foil. Yes, get a foil. Let me clean the table first. We love cooking in a clean place, yes. And after I finish cleaning the table, I will just go ahead and wrap the suya. Well, it's when it is completely done that they call it suya. I'll wrap the beef that is well marinated with suya spice. This is another way to get a very nice taste of suya. I don't think every person does this, but this is the only way I do it. And when you're eating the meat, in fact, it will be as if the fresh meat came with the suya marinated from the cow's stomach. So after that, I marinated it for 30 minutes and then take them to the air fryer and gently grill them. Please don't grill them on high heat. Just reduce it. I think I used 140. Just be shaking on it. Allow it to cook on its own space. Don't cook it, because this my air fryer have 200 mass. So don't cook it on even 85. No, reduce it and be shaking on it until you get the consistency of what you want. You might want it so crunchy or crunch on the outside and soft in this side. That is exactly how I made mine, and this came out so nice. Yeah, look at it. It is out. Now I'm wondering why I grilled it with the bone, but the bone was releasing some juice. You know, some bones have juice inside, so they were releasing it. Now that it's cooked, well cooked, the bone is now dry. There is no longer any juice in there. Everything is inside the suya. Yeah, take a look at that. Perfect. See, you can pour in more suya spice if you want, but if you don't want, just eat it like that. So this is the oil that I got from the suya, because for it to look like this, oil must have to be out of that meat. So this is it. I'll just get it and rub it on it. Remember, I don't want this one so dry. Why are you enjoying suya? In fact, you cannot even enjoy suya if it is dry. The thing will just be hanging on your teeth. No, So use this and rub it and eat it in its juice. As I said earlier, I use mine to eat fried rice. Check it out. In fact, this one is small thing now. I just say, let me try. It was just small thing. And look at it. I have garnished it around my rice. I never wanted it to finish, but you have to finish. I will still make another one. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you so much for your huge support. If you're here for the first time, you are highly welcome. Keep waiting. There are more recipes on your way.